Hey y'all, it's Rose, and we are going back to my roots today to talk home security, specifically self-monitored home security, meaning that you are responsible for checking and responding to alarm events. Of the dozens and dozens of systems I've tested, Abode and iSmart are my top picks for self-monitoring in 2017, and Arlo is my top pick if you want a camera-based approach. So let's check them out. iSmart is a simple security system. For $160, you can get started with 2 key fobs, 2 door sensors, a motion sensor, and the base station called the Cube One. Abode is more expensive, but they do offer more features, including the option to add no contract professional monitoring. For $360, you get an Abode gateway, 2 door window sensors, an indoor motion sensor with a camera, and a key fob. Finally, Arlo Pro. Arlo Pro is a battery-powered wire-free camera system that connects to a base station. For about $250, you can get started with a base station and 1 camera. If you're self-monitoring, you need a system that can communicate. All 3 systems support multiple users to help you share the workload. All 3 offer free event notifications, and they all work with IFT. Through IFT, you can set up custom alerts like phone calls, text alerts, or even have a special message blast through your Sonos speaker when an alarm is triggered. However, using IFT is not as reliable as native integrations. All 3 systems offer push notifications, emails, and sirens, but beyond that is where they start to differ. In addition to what I've already mentioned, Abode and iSmart both have the ability to sound a door chime. iSmart also offers phone call alerts and text alerts natively, while Abode makes sure alerts are always received by providing battery backup and optional 3G cellular communication. The second thing a self-monitored system needs to provide is control. All 3 systems offer app access and the ability to arm and disarm the system from anywhere for free. If you self-monitor, you're also going to need a security camera to act as your eyes and ears. Using Arlo as a security camera is pretty obvious. It records in HD 720p, runs on battery, works inside and out, has a 130-degree field of view, 2-way audio, and you can live stream on demand. It also includes 7 days of free cloud storage. Abode has their own camera. Unfortunately, it's a miss as it's incapable of sending alerts or triggering the siren. It does come with 3 days of timeline access, or you can pay for more. Abode also integrates with the indoor and outdoor Nest Cam. iSmartAlarm has several cameras. I've tested both Keep and Spot. Both cameras can live stream and record 30 10-second video clips to the cloud for free. They also sell a robotic camera called the iCamera Keep Pro. Keep Pro can track motion 350 degrees. If you're self-monitoring, you might want protection for things beyond burglaries, as well as home automation. You already know that all 3 systems work with IFT, but they do more than that. The reason I selected Arlo Pro as the best camera-based approach for self-monitoring is that it connects to SmartThings. As a total ecosystem, it provides protection from burglaries and can monitor for smoke, leaks, carbon monoxide, and more. Abode works with Nest, and this includes the Nest Protect to monitor for smoke and carbon monoxide. They also sell a water sensor as well as a sensor that monitors for temperature and humidity. Abode also supports certain Z-Wave and Zigbee devices and boasts compatibility with Amazon Alexa. Finally, iSmart. iSmart can't really monitor for things beyond burglary, but the Spot camera can detect the sound of a smoke or CO alarm. They also sell a smart switch, which you can use to automate small appliances and lamps. Let's wrap this up and talk likes and dislikes. iSmartAlarm, I dislike that it lacks battery backup. I dislike the cameras. The app is also a little bit slow to respond at times, often reporting the incorrect system status for a few seconds. What I like about it is that it's simple, straightforward, affordable home security. Abode, I also dislike the cameras and its bulky hardware. What I like about it is how many home automation features they offer for free. Arlo, I dislike that you have to connect it to SmartThings to protect your doors and windows, as that can make things a little bit more complicated. What I like about it is that it works indoors, outdoors, also works with other Arlo branded cameras. If you all have any questions about the 3 systems, feel free to comment below. I've also placed some helpful links for you in the description below, and I'm just so thankful that y'all spent time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you soon.